Good day. In 2025 Kia Seltos, I will show you how to use these three buttons. The first one is the electronic parking brake, the auto hold, camera view, and on the other side is the drive traction. The first one is the electronic parking brake. Once you are going to park your car, what you are going to do is to pull it up. You will hear an electronic sound and it will illuminate the sign of parking brake. And once you are going also, you are going to move, push it down, and you will hear again an electronic sound and it will off the light of parking brake. The second one is the auto hold. This auto hold, you can use it when you are driving on an incline, like you are in a traffic. What you are going to do, just push it and an auto hold will illuminate. And once you are going to move your car again, then just press your accelerator and it will go on a green color. But I am now in a parking, so I cannot press it. And once you press again your brake, it will go again on hold. The third one is the camera view. Even you are driving, you can press it and it will show your rear view. Even you are driving or in a parking, just to check your rear area. And the third one is the drive or traction. This knob is used when you are driving on a different kind of road. Just press it and it will show which kind of road you are driving. Okay, let's say like that, snow, mud, and sand, and you can choose what you want. The second one, if you are driving on a regular highway, you can turn the knob on the right and it will show you different kind of mode: sport, eco, comfort, smart. So you can use it even you are on the highway, just to save or make your driving comfortable and enjoyable. So that is the use of this three button and a knob, the drive traction of your Kia Seltos 2025.